What is up, guys? Today we have a brief unboxing and review of the Xiaomi TV Stick 4K second generation. Actually, it's brand new device from 2025, which replaced the first generation here. And that's how it looks like. That's what you have in the box. You have the Xiaomi TV Stick here itself, so a bit redesigned. You have the remote control, also updated, as you see how it looks like now. You have micro USB cable, you have HDMI extender, and 10-watt charger included in the box. So actually, it's that's how it looks like. What's the main difference here is the new processor Cortex A55 based on Mali G100 310 version 2. Also, you have same 2 GB of RAM, 8 GB of storage, Android TV 14 or Google TV 14. That is actually really nice update compared to previous version. You have the latest Android here. Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, also a nice improvement. All the other characteristics very similar, like HDR10, also supported Dolby Atmos sound and others, so very similar to previous devices and comparable on the market. Alright, let's connect it and test it out. Alright, so let's review Xiaomi TV Stick Gen 2 here. So this box I've connected, so such remote control I've got here, connected using the stock the charger, also micro USB cable, so that's how it looks like. I already connected to Wi-Fi. I'm using my monitor, which is Full HD here. Let's go to the settings to test it out. So what we have here is some display settings, just cover them briefly. What we've got here is some dynamic color. We've got resolution automatically, so it's at 1080 60 Hz. HDMI SAC here, so power off automatically, enable HDMI CEC key play as well available. Match contact, advanced display settings, screen position, so actually sound also available, but nothing special here. So we have Wi-Fi here, so you can use quick connect to connect it, scanning always available, so just connected to Wi-Fi, nothing special. So here we have privacy and location, so also just given access, apps, you can use the app permissions here, security, special app access, manage updates, see available updates. Actually can be checked here what need to be updated, and then you can update to the latest version. So let's click update. That's what we see, and that's what can be updated to latest version. Now free up the storage available. So as you see, it's 1.6 gigabytes used out of 4.4. Also, you can remove some apps that you don't need, but the majority of apps you see here is just some basics that actually doesn't consume that much space. Let's go back. In general, as you see, it's working quite smoothly here, no any issues. For system, you have screensaver, power, energy. Actually, it was not available in previous Android. Have optimized low and increase, shut off timer. Okay, about let's check the system update here. So I just purchased it 1 month ago. There was no any updates, so let's try it out now. After 1 month, also up to date, nothing special. And let's check Android 14 version, Android TV OS 14, based on security patch from June 1st, 2025. So as you see, that's what kind of firmware it has. Date and time, language, keyboard, storage, cast, system sound restart, nothing special, accessibility, remote control here, and feedback. So actually, as you see, you can go to the search folder. So here you can search by genre here, comedy and all others. It's based on the app that's included, but mainly it's like Google. As you see, Google just found some from different sources, Rotten Tomato even available, popular show, Prime Video. So just from the apps that's installed on your phone, on your device, actually it's just using it, updating Google mobile services. Okay, screen might flicker, need to wait a bit until it will be updated. It's normal process, nothing special here. So as you see, it's updated a bit. Now you have the Mi Home even as a separate folder, patch wall, Xiaomi TV Plus. Let's open the patch wall. I think patch wall It's actually page wall isn't available. Okay, even good. I don't need it. Xiaomi TV Plus, I guess also it's not available in my region, or it's work. Okay, it's actually working. I don't have any sound here connected, so just checking it out. But yeah, looks normal, you know, nothing special. Working well without any issues. You have library here. Now it's empty. When you purchase something or watched already, it will be in the library. You have the apps here, so you can reorder them. You can download another app. You see here it's recommended. So the Play Store on this device is not really available. It's here actually built in the menu. So if you want to download something, you open app, click install, and it's installing. So no need to open separately any like Play Store. Education. All right, so basically as you see, it's working pretty well. When you open any app, it's just really fast and smooth. Also you can set up to preferences of the device. Let's try just to open YouTube. Also working quite well and fast. No issues from quality or any other. So as you see, just working briefly, smoothly. Let's open just something. Opening really fast, working, operating fast as well. Mainly what you will do here, mainly of course you'll watch movies and YouTube, and this what this device was created for. As you see, working well, fast, without any delay and issues. So I really recommend this TV stick, and actually for its price, $45 is really ultimate device. And in case you still have some questions, just leave in the comments below, put the thumbs up, and see you next time.